In this video, I will explain to you about the unsexy income streams of this guy are low-key and easy to recreate. Using these ideas will undoubtedly increase your earnings. Watch the video to learn how to make money online. Let's start the video. Despite their lack of glamour, this guy's sources of income are simple to replicate. Having a variety of ways to earn money is the single most useful trick. This guy is a former banker. When the stakes are too high, he turns into an overstimulated infant. He simply can't. If things don't go his way in this world, he needs to have options in whatever he does. Becoming a badass with numerous streams of income requires practice. However, with some innovative thinking and steady effort, it is feasible. The source of income that all the top bloggers vouch for everyone may be considered content producers now. Some others haven't caught on yet. Every single one of us is capable of doing something. You're not exceptional since you already rely on them to make a livelihood. In their careers, many individuals only ever sell their expertise to one company: online teaching. Online teaching is an unexpected source of money. This wasn't how things began. His expertise with LinkedIn was put to use one day when he was requested to teach his co-workers about it. And then a LinkedIn reader wrote him and said, "Can you train me?" He was too afraid to think, so he made up some ridiculously high number. With a confident affirmative, he responded positively. Over time, that one pupil spawned a whole army of learners. A skill may be taught by anybody. You may do this on websites like Skillshare, Teachable, and Udemy. There is a choice you must make. You can offer courses for cheap for hundreds of students or offer expensive classes to a few. Both theories are viable, despite popular belief to the contrary. Benjamin Hardy, one of the most popular bloggers in the world, says that online courses are the secret to his financial success. Also, Nikola Skoll, Iadija Wosika, Nihar Kasadi, and Zdravko Vijetic shares this view. And so does any knowledgeable person. You should only now realize how valuable this source of revenue is. Doing audits. People often look for experts in many fields to conduct audits for them. Perhaps you conduct an audit of their operational procedures. You may review their Twitter account and provide suggestions for improvement. Try doing a nutrition analysis on them. Perhaps you do a journal audit. Cost per inspection. Provide the buyer with a comprehensive report outlining your suggestions. Make sure to follow up once the audit has been completed to collect any comments. Inquire if they want you to be their coach or teacher if they find it helpful. Or you might add them to a mailing list for students of a particular online class. Proof of your value may be found in audits. Make use of whatever helpful information you may get. To make money, ebooks are fantastic. You can't just put ebooks up for sale on Amazon like a book. They easily address a single issue and may be written rapidly. Gumroad is an excellent place to sell ebooks. A book on Gumroad may range anywhere from $20 to $100. Using Twitter, you market ebooks. Include a link to the book as an auto-reply to all your tweets. People get worked up over this one. It's just too complicated. No, it's not. Just use a little imagination and stop rejecting people's suggestions for better ways to accomplish things. E-readers have a chance of success. Visit popular internet hangouts. Don't charge them for your assistance. Set up a link to your associated ebook as the first remark. Profit sharing and royalties. Some sites really pay for content. You are already well aware of this. YouTube is the traditional one. If you upload a video, you'll get a percentage of the ad money generated by your video. Or other platforms allow you to keep a portion of the money you make through subscriptions. People are piling into this race. Consider platforms like Vocal, SUBSTACK, and QUORA. You probably won't be able to earn $7 million in 30 days on these sites and buy a boat. However, this is a source of money that, when added to others, may become substantial. Non-romantic sources of income are merely those that are effective. Proven methods are preferable to those that are still in the testing phase. Unique training. Mark Manson, now a famous author, made his first money online by coaching frat guys with too much testosterone in their profiles. Although coaching dates aren't exactly the height of glamour, Mark found them helpful in his career as a manager. His writing reflects such talent. He is now affluent beyond his wildest dreams. Proof of proficiency in a skill is necessary for coaching others in that area. If you don't already possess a marketable ability, you may pick one up on YouTube at no cost and use that to help others. Pick up some coding skills. Conquer the fundamentals. Teaching those who are 1 to 3 steps behind you in coding is a better use of your time than mentoring those who are still learning. Unfortunately, many individuals fail to remember this. To be a coach, you don't have to be an expert. Templates. Make a profit off of any and all sample documents. Gumroad should be used. Templates that can be used are ebook templates, Notion templates, journal templates, tweet templates, and calendar templates. Templates for blog post titles. His internet business and writing processes have been the source of most of his template sales. When a procedure has been described in detail, it may be converted into a commercially available template, or maybe a free sample you distribute in exchange for an email address. Using a template is like taking a quick route. Paying to save time is a popular service. COSTLIER advisory services. Comparable to coaching, consulting is a helpful service. Consulting, in contrast, is often offered to corporations instead of people. When you are billing a company, it allows you for a higher price charge. Why? Simply put, they utilize your fee as a tax write-off. And since their company generates money to cover your fee, the person you teach will likely use their paycheck to cover your costs, leaving them with less disposable income. Establish rapport. Check into consulting possibilities with them. It's a rule of thumb that you must ask 5 times to obtain 1 customer. Web 3.0 expands potential revenue streams. Blockchain-based Web3 represents a paradigm shift in the industry. Cryptocurrency is a very recent addition to his income portfolio. Through the use of BitCloud, interested parties may back his writing efforts. Really? He is just a stock in the company. The idea is that you will acquire his shares. As his work receives more attention, so does this number. If he launches a cryptocurrency, he may choose to incentivize investment in his token by offering you a cut of the profits or other benefits. The creative works he produces are also for sale. To put his online work on the blockchain, he simply converts it into a non-fungible token, NFT, using a service called OpenSea. No more concerns about who owns what you've created once it's on the blockchain. There is no need to provide evidence of ownership. That can be shown with relative ease. Then, you may turn your work into a cash cow by selling NFTs of it. Be ahead of the curve and access exponential cash potential by incorporating a single Web3 revenue source into your routine. The source of money from WANKERS. The use of boards in business is universal. People gather around boards to provide input and generate new ideas. You may make a lot of money without accomplishing too much at all. Also available to you is the wank factor. Nothing could be farther from the truth. But it's a good source of money coming in. The more you post on LinkedIn, the more likely you will get such offers in your inbox. You may also use LinkedIn to directly contact any board shaman. It's not for everyone. Nonetheless, it's a factor. One source of revenue I want to introduce. Making money as an affiliate marketer is easy. A good beginning point for many of you would be to sell the digital product of another person. That's the best approach to increase your knowledge. Furthermore, you may profit from another person's good name and sell successful things with far less investment. Insanely few individuals have asked whether they may profit off his courses, student base, and knowledge base, which has baffled him. One of the least appealing ways to make money is by affiliate marketing. Almost no one gets it. After making only $20 online, your whole mindset will change. Affiliate marketing does this. There is little time commitment, but the payoff fundamentally changes how your brain works. Basically, everything comes down to this. Acquire know-how. Afterward, turn that expertise into cash. Develop a broader range of abilities as you increase your money. The most unglamorous forms of income are also the most simple to replicate. This was all from my side to guide you about the unsexy income streams of this guy are low-key and easy to recreate. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon if you're new to the channel so you don't miss any new stuff. Comment below if this video was helpful or if you have any concerns regarding how to generate money.